Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, here with an in-stock alert on our best-selling sport riding boots. Okay, the RST TracTech EVO 3 boots are back in stock now. We import these, bring them in from the company over there in the UK. And I got to tell you, at $159.99, this is the best value that we currently have in sport riding boots. This boot is good for, obviously, street riding, but also track riding. If you're operating on a budget and you can't afford that $500 pair of SuperTech R's or CD Rex boots and you still want a boot that offers protection, capable of going to the track, this is a solid option. It's got ankle protection on both sides, so you've got good lateral ankle stability, reinforcement in the toe box, reinforcement in the heel, right? We have sold hundreds of these at this price point. Every time we get them in, they're literally only here for a very short time. Get yours before they sell out.